Hey YouTube, this is Lincoln here, and I'd like to talk about nature calls. Actually, this is just a park. Fail. Being in the wilderness takes a lot of skill and effort.
Which is why with these tips and instructions, you'll know.
Wait. What if you have to go pee?
Just go in the bush. Sagagi is sick. Being outdoors, you get bored easy. So remember, you gotta always keep busy because then your mind will start playing tricks on you, and that's when people go crazy.
I'm bored.
Well, find something to do then. Go climb a tree.
Okay, I'll go look for one. I'm Batman.
It's getting pretty dark soon, and when that happens, you gotta find shelter. And it's kind of easy to make your own shelter. You just gotta like know what to do and what to use. And like I can make one out of these twigs right here, but I probably wouldn't fit. Yeah, I made my shelter. It's pretty good, nice and cozy, and I think it's a good place to sleep. You know, I'm not even tired.
Thanks to super hard labor, I made my own house. Fucking Buffalo Bob burnt down my house.
Okay, now when you're in the nature, remember, you and Mother Nature are one. You cannot be selfish. It is not all about you.
Didn't you see that in a John Wayne movie?
Shut up. Anyway.